Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be unboxing MI power bank. Now let's open it. And this is your power bank, which is a capacity of 20,000 mAh, and it's a 18 watts fast charger, as you can see. Now let's open inside. As you can see, this is a sealed one. Now let's open it. In the box you'll be getting nothing. I mean, you'll get the power bank but nothing inside this. This will be the power bank, and this will be the Type C charge cable for this. And that's it guys, in the box. Now let's open this package. Here's the first look. You'll be having a power button, on and off button for this power bank. You'll be having two USB port, one micro USB and a Type C port. Now let's check it whether it does the job or not. Now let's connect this power bank to my mobile. As you can see, I have a Type C connection for my USB cable. Now let's connect it to the power bank and see what happens. As you can see, it's a fast charging power bank, which is 20,000 mAh and 18 watts fast charging output. As this is 28,000 mAh battery capacity and 18 watts output power, it does the job pretty much as it is intended to. Overall, it's a good product. You can just go for it because it's worth it. That's it guys. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe.